We're finally here at the ship farm, but the ship ran away and my mother chased all the sheep away. My dear family. The wind is blowing, my hair is flowing. My brother, Nikabo. That is my mom running. Duk Paishe. How was the climb? How was the climb, sir?
Excellent.
Are you tired? Only halfway. Happy, how was your climb?
Very bad.
Very bad. Are you tired?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
This is my dad. Wanna say anything, Dad?
Hi.
It's
It's good to be with my children,
with my son. With my son.
with my son, and all the children.
How was it? Photo no được.
I'm gonna give it a roll. Come ye sinners, poor and needy, weak and wounded.